I am your favorite Amazon affiliate, your host today, Rich.
Hey, what's up, everybody? So today we have a car, and what we're going to do is be showing you how to take off the wheels or the rim on your car. And if you want to know what gets my tires so shiny, it's coverall. I'll show you how to use it. It's very simple. You just spray it on. That's it. Simple and dries quickly. So if you get a chance, use some of this. I'll put the link down below. Got it on Amazon. Keys, check.
I am going to take the small screwdriver here and look inside on this vehicle. We have a very small slit. Let's see if I can turn the light on. If you notice, it's right there. I like to put like a little rag right here so you don't scratch up the car. Get up in there. Size that you need for your crossbar. And first hit. Woohoo! I did not plan that. Most of the time I do every single one of them and get that one last. So before lifting the car, you can do it while the jack's underneath. That's fine. We don't have a jack just yet, but as you can see. So anyway, I'm just gonna break these loose a little bit. Just a little. Now as you break them loose, it doesn't matter if you do crisscross or going a circle, but all you want to do is just break them loose. And it's easier to do that if the tire is not in the air, so it doesn't spin on you. And that's it. So then we'll get our jack, obviously, lift it up. Stand by. So get under the car just so we can see a bit of, right here is where the jack should go, in between these cuts in the frame right here. You want to lift it as you get right here. So we will get the jack up underneath and start lifting right now.
This one is a 3-ton jack. In order to operate it, you turn it all the way to the right, the stick, and then you push down and back up. Down, back up. As you look, this starts to rise. Goes right under the frame. Let's get to it. Before you do, though, turn it back counterclockwise, left, and it starts to go down. When you do this on your car, you want to make sure you do it slowly, so that way it doesn't just slam on the ground. So you do it real slow, and it will slow down and gradually go down.
So as you can see, we're on it, but it doesn't have to. I mean, sometimes it won't. It'll be a little bit bigger depending on your jack. Some pieces will go right up in it, like scissor jacks, or you know, if you have a smaller jack. But yeah, this one is going to fit on each side of it. That's all right, as long as you know you're on that around it. So we're gonna lift the car. All right, now I'm getting one of the jack stands. Put up under here while we work, safety reasons. I like to put like a brick or something on the back wheels or on all the wheels if you can, or block or 4x4 or something. That way you can stop the car from rolling a lot. Not to mention if you know, you put your emergency brake, stuff like that. So we'll get to see good enough. I'm gonna lower this just a bit, real slow, till it gets on the jack itself, jack stand, and then I'm just gonna leave it there, just like that, while I work. Sometimes you can feel it go on there correctly before, so you don't cross thread it. Sometimes you can just turn it and do it. I like to just, sometimes I do it, sometimes I don't. Turn it left, that way it goes in, seals properly. You can feel that little snap. And then, see, it's the right side. There it is. Now, it is important to cross every other one, like this top one. You don't go in a circle. You want to go from this one to this one. And all we're doing is snugging. We're just snugging it on there. Okay? Because it's still in the air and you don't want it to be off centered. So we're just going to let it seed. And then once we underneath that, then we'll go from this one, and you go to this one, or the other one. You're just crisscross, okay? Spinning. And sometimes it spins evenly like that, and then sometimes it just stops. But if you're having, like, I'm not forcing it, I'm just kind of trying to, you know, spin it. If I hold this right, it'll spin. But if you're forcing it, you find yourself having to, like, push with a lot of force, then it's cross-threaded. And you before you make it worse, you want to take it out and then put it back in there and try again. So right now, we're going to lift the jack just a bit. As you can see. And as we lift this, then we'll take out the jack stand. And you don't have to come up a whole lot. Look. Move the jack stand out of the way. And then make sure all your tools are out of the way. And then slowly release and let it drop. Nice and easy. So satisfying. And we'll tighten it up on the right side. Let's see. Nope. There it is. Make sure it's all the way in. Turn it. Give it a little torque. Or we can crisscross here, like I was telling you. And I like to get in a better position. Push it all the way in. turn, and give it a little torque. Same. And even if you're using like an impact, you're gonna do the same thing. Now, I'm just gonna double check. Torque that one. Torque that just a little bit. That one's good and tight. Go up here. Across here. Across there. That's it. And then if you look, right here has a little divot, and that's for this piece right here. So when you put it on, everything's going on. Snap it. Pop it, snap. There it is. Woohoo! All done, buddy. Please like, subscribe, and comment below if you'd like to see more videos. I'd appreciate y'all, and as always, thanks for tuning in. Later.